Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now by checking your device and OS. Don't delay. Open Settings and go straight to General, then Date and Time. Make sure Wi-Fi and location are on so network time can sync. Once done, toggle off Set automatically, wait 2 seconds, then toggle it back on to force a refresh. If that immediately corrects the clock, you're done. If not, proceed. You'll next check time zone and network settings to resolve deeper sync issues. Now you dig into the middle steps that usually fix stubborn clocks. If automatic time fails, switch to manual and type a major city in your time zone to ensure correct offset. Next, check network. Toggle airplane mode briefly, reconnect Wi-Fi, or reset network settings if needed. Once changes are made, restart the device so system services reload and request fresh time data. Make sure to sign back into Wi-Fi. Finish by verifying the corrected time against a reliable clock and letting automatic mode run for a few minutes. This confirms drift is gone. If you changed manual settings, switch back to set automatically to prevent future drift. Update your OS now, because older system bugs can prevent proper NTP syncing. If the problem persists, one key troubleshooting tip: try a different Wi-Fi network or cellular connection. Network time comes from carriers or NTP servers, so switching networks isolates the source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.